the. They watch a puppet show. Later, Gia cuts a cake. She also eats an ice cream sundae. A puppet, a cake, an ice cream. The words a and an are called articles. When do we use them? We use a before words that begin with consonant sounds, while an is used before words that begin with vowel sounds. Puppet and cake begin with consonant sounds, so we use a before them. In the same way, we say a ladder, a deer, a table. All these words begin with consonant sounds. Ice cream begins with a vowel sound, so we use an before it. Just like that, we say an eggshell, an airplane, an umbrella. All these words begin with vowel sounds. Read these sentences again now. A cake, an ice cream sundae. How many cakes and ice cream sundaes are we talking about? Just one. A cake means one cake. Similarly, an ice cream sundae means one ice cream sundae. So remember, a or an are used before words that name one person, animal, or thing. Now, read some more sentences from the story. The sun starts shining. I will wear the dress with rainbows. Did you know? Just like a and an, the is an article too. We use the before things that are one of a kind, like the sun. There isn't any other sun, is there? So we use the before it. And similarly, we say the moon, the earth. The is also used to talk about something specific. Here, Gia is talking about a specific dress, the one with rainbows on it. So she uses the before dress. Here are more sentences from the story. First, they watch a puppet show. Everyone claps when the puppet show ends. Did you notice something? We have a before puppet show in the first sentence, but the before it in the next one. Why so? Because here we are talking about a specific puppet show, the one at Gia's party. It's already mentioned earlier, and we are talking about it for the second time. So that's how we use the articles a, an, and the. Now, try forming sentences on your own with these articles. Add some more examples of the articles a, an, and the. Shirley lights a bonfire. An eagle watches Shirley and her friends. Here, the words a and an show that the campsite has one bonfire and one eagle. They are used before words that name one thing. The word bonfire starts with a consonant sound, while eagle begins with a vowel sound. So we say a bonfire and an eagle. The eagle flies away. We use the before eagle here, as we are talking about one specific eagle, the same one that watched Shirley and her friends. Raj takes out his guitar. The guitar is brown. We say the guitar here, as this is the same guitar that Raj took out earlier. The moon shines brightly in the sky. Here, the is used before moon, as it is the only one of its kind. Let's quickly revise what we have learnt. A, an, and the are articles. We put a before words that begin with consonant sounds and an before words that begin with vowel sounds. A and an are used to talk about one person, animal, or thing. We use the before things that are one of a kind to talk about something specific. And before words we have already mentioned earlier.